Hi, I'm Jeremy Pang, founder of School of Wok in Covent Garden. I'm gonna do a Pei Pa Tofu dish. It's all about sharing. In Chinese food, that's the way we like to eat it. This Pei Pa Tofu is essentially like a tofu fritter. I'm gonna start with some shiitake mushrooms. They've been soaked in hot water overnight. Everything for this dish needs to be finely chopped. You've got your garlic, ginger, spring onion, main base of Chinese cuisine, your shiitake mushrooms, and then we've also got your green beans to add that crunch. Next up, your prawns. Can go straight into the mix. The tofu needs to be a firm tofu. Just break that into the mixing bowl. Now it's time to season. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, same amount of white pepper, pinch of sugar, about a teaspoon of pure sesame oil. You've got to look out for the pure, 100% pure sesame oil, not toasted. It's just got that classic Chinese flavor. Corn flour, just to help bind the mix. 1 egg yolk. So we can start to give this a good massage through. It smells delicious. Right, so that mix is ready. I'm just gonna do the base sauce and veg. This time, just slices of ginger, some pak choi. You can either cut it into quarters or sixths. Give those a good clean. And your sauce will start with savory flavor. Lee Kum Kee premium oyster sauce really gives you that kick of savory. About a tablespoon of oyster sauce. We're gonna add some saltiness with your Lee Kum Kee premium light soy sauce. About a tablespoon of that. Now we're gonna add the mushroom stock. Now interact perfectly with Lee Kum Kee's premium oyster sauce. A couple of dashes of Lee Kum Kee premium dark soy sauce. Give that a mix, and we're ready to cook. So next up, your Pei Pa Tofu. We've got to fry these. Now traditionally, you deep fry them. Take 2 spoons. And this is where your quenelling comes into play. Straight in to the oil. Looking absolutely delicious. Golden brown. Frying process takes about 3 to 4 minutes. So the quenelle tofu is all deep fried. Time to finish off your dish. Get your clay pot on a good heat. You don't need a lot of oil here. A few slices of ginger. Then your pak choi can go in once that ginger's sizzling away. So now you can add your sauce. That oyster sauce, the premium light soy sauce. So all we need now, thicken up that sauce. Corn flour and water. Make sure that corn flour is mixed well into the water. And start to plate up the pak choi first before we finish the Pei Pa Tofu. Before I put my tofu quenelles into it, just go spoon by spoon. You've got to make sure it boils, and you'll see that sauce thickening up. So I'm just going to go for 1 more spoon. Now we're getting that wrapping sauce finish. Carefully place your quenelled tofu into that slightly thickened sauce. Just get each one of those taking up the sauce. Cover it with a lid, 3 to 5 minutes, and we're ready to serve. The quenelles have kept their shape nicely. Type of dish you just want to keep digging into. And then the sauce, pour over the top of that. So there we have it, your Pei Pa Tofu, perfect for Chinese New Year.